So in HappyScribe, if you want to go ahead and transcribe out audio, one of the ways to transcribe out audio is by recording audio on your own as well. So to do that, simply click on record audio. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and select out the language, which can be set to auto detect, but let me just go ahead and select English so it's easier for the tool to transcribe out the file. Then over here, what I can do is I can go ahead and select out the source, the audio source right here. If I have multiple microphones connected to my computer, then it'll show multiple sources. And you can see a preview of the audio right here as well. So let's just go ahead and select out line in, which is the audio source I'm using. Now you can go ahead and select out, let's say, private or team, or let's say shared with me folder right here. Let me just go ahead and select out private for now right here and start recording. So now I'm simply going to go ahead and click on start recording. So this is a sample recording that I'm doing to show how audio transcription actually works inside of HappyScribe while recording it directly online. So you can pause it right here and then you can discard it. You can finish it as you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and resume it right here and continue recording. Let's say, for example, so the HappyScribe that I'm using, it is a web version of application, so it runs in any web browser of your choice. So you can go ahead and pause it, and if you're done, you can simply go ahead and click on finish right here. And now you can name it. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say HappyScribe sample right here and click on save recording. And as you do that, what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and start processing. So it says in progress right here, and it says it'll be ready in about 1 minute. So you just need to go ahead and wait for this file to get ready now. And now you can see that this is actually ready. It says created today. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, then the transcription project actually opens up right here. And if I were to go to transcript, you can see it says this is a sample recording that I'm doing to show how audio transcription actually works right here, just like this. And as I play, this is a sample recording that I'm doing to show it highlights out the words right here, which has been actually transcribed. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then record out your audio for transcription directly inside of HappyScribe. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.